How can we hear sounds in space? As you may know, sound waves cannot travel in space because it's a vacuum, and sound needs a medium, like air or water, to spread. However, there are different types of waves which can travel without the need of a medium. We can then translate these waves into sounds that humans can hear. We have various satellites in space, which have sensors that can detect radio and plasma waves going through a vacuum. In this video, I will be showing you the spookiest and most eerie sounds of space. But first off, we need to fix this. Subscribe.